ओम नमः शिवाय। दोस्तों, आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं रोहिणी नक्षत्र के बारे में। द ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार, द ब्राइटेस्ट कॉन्स्टलेशन विच फॉल्स अंडर टॉरस, 10 डिग्रीज टॉरस टू 23.20 डिग्रीज टॉरस वृषभ राशि के अंतर्गत आ जाता है रोहिणी नक्षत्र। इट इज द ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार in English and in Arabic. It is called Aldebaran. Okay, like we have discussed, the symbol of Taurus Vrishab Rashi is that of a bull. Okay, and the eyes of the bull forms this star Aldebaran or Rohini Nakshatra. It is a wonderful nakshatra, and it is said that planet moon, when it comes in Rohini, it is where it reaches its exaltation point. चंद्रमा जो है उच्च का हो जाता है रोहिणी नक्षत्र में। एक कथा भी जुड़ी हुई है रोहिणी नक्षत्र के साथ। देयर इज वन मैथोलॉजिकल स्टोरी एसोसिएटेड विद दिस नक्षत्र। These 27 constellations, these 27 nakshatras are nothing but they are referred to as the 27 daughters of Daksh Prajapati. And all these daughters, 27 daughters, are married to moon, Chandrama, moon god. Okay. तो सबसे जो फेवरेट रानी है चंद्रमा की, the favorite queen or the princess or whatever, is Rohini. She is the most beautiful looking, she is the enchantress, she is the most good looking lady among these 27 nakshatras. So it is said that Chandrama jo hai, as compared to the other daughters or other wives, used to spend more time with Rohini. And on practical note also, if we see in the constellation, like in the sky, when moon is in Rohini Nakshatra, Aldebaran, it spends little bit more time than the other constellations. तो रोहिणी के साथ ज़्यादा समय व्यतीत करता है। तो जो दूसरी बेटियां हैं, all the other daughters, they get offended and they go complaining to their father, who is Prajapati. Okay, ब्रह्म प्रजापति। उसमें भी जो ज्येष्ठा, सबसे बड़ी जो कन्या है, वो अपने पिता से कंप्लेन करती है कि द मून स्पेंड्स मोर टाइम विथ रोहिणी। सो द फादर, द प्रजापति ब्रह्म, कर्सेस मून। उन्हें श्राप देते हैं कि तुम्हें क्षय रोग हो जाएगा और तुम खत्म हो जाओगे। फिर जो है अगेन द डॉटर्स गो टू द फादर फॉर आस्किंग हिम टू रिवर्स द कर्स। इट्स व्हेन ही सेज कि तुम्हारा कर्ज जो है वो गेट टोटली रिवर्स नहीं हो सकता, बट तुम पूर्णिमा से 9 मून तक जो है कम होते जाओगे, फिर बढ़ते जाओगे, तुम्हारा आकार जो है बढ़ता घटता रहेगा। तो ये जुड़ा हुआ कर्ज है। अब इन चीज़ों से क्या निकल कर आई चीज़ें कि जिनका भी चंद्रमा या प्रोमिनेंट ग्रह रोहिणी नक्षत्र में होता है, दे हैव अ सर्टेन कैरिज्मा और मैग्नेटिज्म एसोसिएटेड इन देयर पर्सनैलिटी। द मोस्ट क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल गिवन एवरीवेयर अराउंड वर्ल्ड इज दैट ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्ण. Lord Krishna was born under Rohini Nakshatra, and it is the nakshatra and zodiac sign associated with dairy farming, with जैसे हम देखते हैं माखन चुराना, गायों को चरवाना, कृष्ण के जीवन में सब ये था. And the symbol of this nakshatra itself is that of a rath, a cart, a chariot. In Mahabharata, Krishna is known to drive Arjuna's rath. And in the modern day, it's seen that people who have prominent planets in Rohini, especially moon, they are bound to have a white color car, fancy, luxurious white color car in their life. I have hundreds of charts with Rohini Nakshatra people, and they have a white color vehicle, luxurious vehicle. Okay, they own a white color luxurious vehicle. Okay, fancy cars, sports car. They are fond of wearing good clothing. They are very much fond of this fragrances. अच्छी सुगंध के, अच्छे खुशबू के शौकीन होते हैं. And as we said, the other wives get jealous of Rohini. Okay, there's an element of jealousy. So people with Rohini Nakshatra, there's a lot of element of jealousy around them. Their workers, co-workers, clients, co-workers, people around them, friends might get jealous of them. Okay, Rohini native. And there will also be a politics kind of scenario in their surroundings, maybe at their work, maybe at their office, maybe in their family, some politics. Okay, some mind games also are prominent in this Rohini Nakshatra. Okay, and this Nakshatra carries a curse of Mercury, DNA karmic registry curse of Mercury, Buddha planet. So these are the people who are into mediation. Okay, who fix meetings between two parties and in kind of settlements, etc. Again, if you see Lord Krishna's life, he was the mediator between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. But the mediation leads to nowhere. On the contrary, lot of curses come out of that mediation. Like Lord Krishna was cursed that his kul, his vansh, the offsprings won't survive, and we see that there are no successors of Lord Krishna on the planet Earth these days. So such people with Rohini Nakshatra will be called for mediation, and that's a very strong karma happening at their end. There's also a disturbed marital life associated with this nakshatra. Okay, and the animal totem, animal symbology of this nakshatra is that of a snake. So if you have Rohini Nakshatra prominent, you can use snake symbology. Okay, Rath, chariot symbology. Okay, post a picture with some fancy car in your social media, etc. It will give you great results. Okay, post a picture where you are consuming some dairy products, some milk drink you're consuming. Such a picture can be posted if you have Rohini Nakshatra prominent. Okay, you can select white color in your clothing, in your interiors, in your home decor, etc. It will give you great results. So that was it regarding Rohini Nakshatra. यदि आप अपनी जन्म पत्रिका दिखाना चाहते हैं, अच्छे क्वालिटी के जेम स्टोन्स चाहते हैं, या पूजा पाठ आदि कोई शुभ मांगलिक कार्य करवाना चाहते हैं, तो संपर्क करें हमारे महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे. मेरा नंबर है 9503596761. देखते रहिए मेरे वीडियोस महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे. थैंक्स अ लॉट.